Hi, this is Chris. We're back again with Lone Star Grillz. Today we're in our showroom, and today we're going to be showing you our Santa Maria grills. Here I've got two different versions of our 36-inch model. 36 is the smallest one we make. We do 36, 48, 60, and 72. So 3 foot, 4 foot, 5 foot, and 6 foot. These are both cart-mounted units, so these are on wheels. We also do a built-in version, so if you're doing an outdoor kitchen, you need to get with us and we'll get you some specs on these. This is a base model. This is exactly how it comes on the standard grill, standard expanded metal grates. We do have the option for a Argentinian V-grate. There's an upcharge for that. This model, all models of the grills are made from 10 gauge, 1/8 inch carbon steel, all brand new material, just like everything we do. The beauty of the Santa Maria grill is the live fire cooking. You can cook with charcoal, briquettes, lump. You can do splits of wood, chunks of wood. You can mix chunks, chips in with the charcoal, any combination. That's the beauty of that. The other beauty of the Santa Maria grill is the versatility. The ability to raise this up off the fire or drop it down in an instant. So we can go from low and slow to hot and fast instantaneously, anywhere in between. There's 34 inches of adjustability from going all the way down on the coals, being right on the fire at 1,000 degrees, and come up and anywhere in between to adjust your heat or your smoke. Raise this all the way up and we'll be able to show you how this is constructed on the inside. So with my Santa Maria grill, the way we've done ours, we've got expanded metal fire grates in here where you build your fire. Those are reinforced. Those are removable, replaceable. If they ever burn out on you. I know some competitors, some other models will use fire bricks down in the bottom. I do not. I know there's thermal properties to fire bricks, but I like to be able to have plenty of room. You've got 3 inches from the bottom to the top of that. I want to have plenty of room for air. Air will come up out of the bottom here. That's what this is for. Air will come up. You're constantly feeding your fire. You've got a good clean burn of fire. When you've got fire bricks and you've got those coals right on those fire bricks, you've got nowhere for air to get in there, so you end up with a dirty burning fire. It's not as clean. Here we've got plenty of airflow bringing in to get a good clean burning fire. So when you're done cooking, you shake your coals off these fire grates, your ashes, remove this. This is, again, allows air to come up but keeps your coals from falling down while you're cooking. You shovel or rake all your ashes into your catch pan, and then when you're done, take that out and throw it out. Now, upgrade. Some of the upgrades that we offer are our drop-down front access door. So what this allows us to do is get in here in the front, the stainless steel latches, large stainless steel handle, drop that down. Now we have the ability to add fuel without having to raise and lower our grate. There's nothing wrong with this model. There's nothing wrong with doing that. This is just a little bit more convenient if you're doing longer cooks and you're adding a lot of fuel. So we got our drop-down door here. And then to the side, this is our side-mounted Bracero. What this allows us to do is put our splits of wood on here. We get our fire going over here. Now, once the wood burns down to coals, we'll use our ash or coal shovel, or you can use your own. Shovel your lit coals, and then replenish your fire as you go. Now, I know what you're thinking. I just got done talking about fire bricks and grates. The reason I'm using fire bricks here is because once I make my coals, once they start falling down, I don't want them to keep burning and just disappear on us. So this is going to allow me to have my coals last a little longer here, and then when I put them in here, we've got our good clean burn of fire over here. So that's the reason why we've separated those two, and while one is one way, one is the other. Very large, add lots of wood in here. You can probably get 5, 6, maybe even 8 splits of wood, depending on what size you've got. Burn your coals down, and then you're constantly replenishing it. Now, this is removable, so this just sits on the side. Go on either side. It can go on the back if you don't have room on the side. You could also add this to an existing Santa Maria grill. If you've got one of our older models, this should just fit right over the side. So here we've got basic version, fold down door, and side mounted Bracero. We can do any combination. So you could go with the standard model, put the side Bracero on, or you can get just the fold down door. And both of these options are going to be available for all 4 sizes. So your door gets bigger, this stays the same on all 4 models. Again, this is also constructed from 1/4 inch flat bar and 10 gauge 1/8 inch carbon steel. So just to recap here, we've got two 36-inch model Santa Marias. This is our base model. This is how it comes. This has several of the upgrades. It's a fold-down front access door, the side-mounted Bracero. We've got our ash or coal shovel there shown. We don't have to do these two together. You can do just this, or you can get just your base model. All these options are available on our website. All of the information, all of the pricing, that's LoneStarGrills.com. You can give us a call, 936-344-6151. And you can also check us out on YouTube for reviews of our other products, cooking videos, how to use these, and much more. Look forward to hearing from you.